Our microfiber, it's the heart, it's the backbone of our company, it's what we're all about, and it sets us apart from the rest. You'll find that cleaning with a Norwex cloth and water alone, you can clean anything from your kitchen to your bathroom, leaving every surface completely clean. I find in my home, because I clean faster with Norwex and clean less often, that I save about 75% of my overall cleaning time. The average consumer in the US spends about $450 to $600 a year on cleaning products. With the Norwex system, you will save about 90% of that cost. Saving time, saving money, winning solution. This is the EnviroCloth, the E for everything cloth as we call it in our home, and this cloth with a little bit of water replaces all of the current cleaners you have under your kitchen sink cabinet. With water alone, this cloth removes up to 99% of bacteria from a surface when used and cared for correctly. What this means is that you will clean quick and easy with Norwex. I don't know about you, but at that first cleaning party, I took a look at this cloth and I thought, that is not a fancy cloth. I'm pretty sure it's overpriced and I don't need it. And I'm not crazy enough to clean my house with cloth and water alone. Very quickly, I was wowed by this item and many more. So what makes this different than typical microfiber? What sets it apart from the rest? There's a few huge differences. So first difference is this. Typical microfiber, the width of the thread is about 1/6 the split of a human hair. So one hair on your head, chop it lengthwise 6 times. That's what normal microfiber looks like. Pretty small. That's why we call it micro. Norwex microfiber, in comparison, is actually 1/200th the split of a human hair. So imagine one strand of hair on your head chopped lengthwise 200 times. What you end up with in the end is a tiny little cobweb of thread that, if unraveled, this cloth stretches 10 million feet. So from Canada to Mexico is the amount of thread that makes up the EnviroCloth. So here's the thing, what does that mean for you when you're cleaning? That was a big question of mine. It means a few great benefits that will save you time and money. So the first is this. This cloth, because there's 10 million feet of fiber, is really absorbent. It holds about 7 times its weight in water, and you'll find that it makes cleaning up a large spill or mess a breeze. Number 2, because of the 10 million feet of fiber, you'll also find that by folding in quarters, like this, you can actually wipe up 8 dirty surfaces by flipping to a clean side of your cloth. And this cloth will not move dirt from one surface to the next. And lastly, our microfiber is a star-shaped thread. So imagine a cobweb with little tiny fingers hanging off of the side. What this looks like is the roller on the bottom of your vacuum. So even a porous surface, when wiped with a wet EnviroCloth, is left completely clean with water alone. It gets even better. Who hates laundry? I know that's my least favorite chore in the home because it's a chore that's never done. I typically would wait until everyone was out of clean underwear and that became laundry day. When I was told that Norwex microfiber would save the amount of time I would spend in the laundry room, I was sold. Our cloths are spun with a micro silver BacLock agent, and every cloth that contains this agent says BacLock on the tag. So what that means for you is that you rinse this cloth, you wring it out, and you hang it to dry by the tag, and that BacLock agent self-cleanses the cloth in between uses. It inhibits bacterial odor, mold, and mildew growth within the cloth. The EnviroCloth, while it's amazing on its own, you will find that it's best paired with our window cloth. They're really like peanut butter and jelly. One's not the same without the other. The EnviroCloth, when used wet, cleans your surfaces, and the window cloth polishes them to a streak-free, beautiful shine. The combination of the two is amazing.